Today we will talk about cybersecurity. 1. What is cybersecurity? 2. How can businesses protect themselves from cyber attacks? 3. How can companies ensure their data is secure? 4. Jobs opportunity and cybersecurity? What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity, also known as computer security or information security, refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, damage, or disruption. It involves implementing measures and safeguards to prevent or mitigate the risks and threats associated with digital information and technology. How can businesses protect themselves from cyber attacks? Businesses can take several proactive steps to protect themselves from cyber attacks. Here are some key measures to consider. 1. Develop a comprehensive security strategy. 2. Implement strong access controls. 3. Regularly update and patch systems. 4. Use firewalls and intrusion detection/prevention systems. 5. Employ secure coding practices. 6. Encrypt sensitive data. 7. Conduct regular security assessments. 8. Provide employee training and awareness. 9. Establish an incident response plan. 10. Backup data regularly. 11. Monitor network and system activity. 12. Secure third-party relationships. 13. Stay informed and updated. How can companies ensure their data is secure? 1. Companies can take several measures to ensure the security of their data. 2. Implement strong access controls. 3. Encrypt sensitive data. 4. Regularly update and patch systems. 5. Conduct employee training and awareness programs. 6. Implement firewalls and intrusion detection systems. 7. Backup data regularly. 8. Implement data loss prevention, DLP, measures. 9. Conduct regular security assessments and audits. 10. Establish an incident response plan. 11. Enforce mobile device security. 12. Monitor and analyze security logs. 13. Partner with trusted vendors and service providers. Jobs opportunity and cybersecurity? The field of cybersecurity offers a wide range of job opportunities due to the increasing demand for professionals with expertise in protecting and securing computer systems, networks, and data. Some of the job roles and career paths in cybersecurity include: 1. Security analyst. 2. Network security engineer. 3. Incident responder. 4. Ethical hacker/penetration tester. 5. Security consultant. 6. Security architect. 7. Security engineer. 8. Cryptographer. 9. Forensic analyst. 10. Security Operations Center, SOC, analyst. 11. Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. Thanks.